Hello everyone. Now we have to discuss initial and final conditions in case of transient state analysis. We all know that initial conditions are required to calculate the arbitrary constants of the general solution of that state. Initial conditions. I can write that point. Initial conditions are required to calculate the arbitrary constants that shows in general solution of the differential equation. All right, we all know that in case of inductor, at t is equals to 0. Why it is 0? Because this is the initial state, right? When time is equals to 0, that is nothing but initial state only. Where at t is equals to 0, I is equals to 0, right? That is open circuited. Current is equals to 0 means what? Open circuited means inductor does not allow sudden change in current, right? Does not allow sudden change in current. Like that, in case of capacitor, at t is equals to 0, V which is equals to 0, which means what? Short circuited means capacitor does not allow sudden change in voltage. So these are the initial conditions. So to get that arbitrary constants, we have to substitute this. At this condition, the current is equal to 0. Like that, at this condition, the voltage is equal to 0 for inductor as well as capacitor respectively. So we can discuss in detail analysis of these conditions. So suppose a network is having the time minus infinite to infinite. The time range is what? Minus infinite to infinite, and when time is equals to 0, we have to open or close the switch. That is the condition. Okay, first we have to write. Okay, suppose a network exists from minus infinite less than t infinite infinite. It's better, right? From this range, suppose a network exists from this range minus infinite to infinite. The time range is what? Minus infinite to infinite, and we make a sudden we make a sudden change in the circuit at t which is equals to 0. This is the condition. Okay, means this is minus infinite, this is infinite, this is t which is equals to 0. Okay, let's discuss initial condition. So what is initial condition? Opening or closing the switch, that is sudden change in the value of source, then the value of any parameter just after the sudden change is called initial condition, or is nothing but initial value. Opening or closing the switch which means what? Sudden change in the value of applied voltage, that is source, then the value of any parameter, whether it is current or voltage. Sudden change in the value of source, that is closing switch or opening of the switch, then the value of any parameter, we can say that just after switching, or you can write, you can say that then the value of any parameter just after switching. At t is equals to 0 plus, just after switching means what? It is fraction of time. For example, time if we consider 0, then 0 plus means what? 0.000000001, like that. Okay, is called initial value, right? So an inductor can be represented by current source at t is equals to 0 plus. Like that, a capacitor can be represented by voltage source. But these models are only for when time is equals to 0 plus only. So we all know that if inductor and capacitor are initially uncharged, if inductor as well as capacitor are initially uncharged, obviously what will happen? For inductor, for capacitor, for inductor current is equals to 0, for capacitor voltage which is equals to 0, which means what? Open circuited, this is what? Short circuited, right? Already we have discussed these points. Yes, after switching, inductor acts as open circuited, satisfied because current is equals to 0. Like that, for capacitor it acts as short circuited. After some time, that is under steady state, inductor acts as what? Short circuited. Why it is short circuited? Current is maintained as constant at that time, therefore V is equals to 0. Like that, under steady state, capacitor acts as what? Open circuited. Why it is open circuited? Voltage is maintained as constant, therefore I is equals to C into dV by dt. From that, I is equals to constant value. Okay, these are the initial conditions. So we can represent this is open circuited, like that. This is for L, this is for capacitor, that's it. Okay, next we will discuss final condition. Final condition means what? System has finally settled down to a constant value. System has finally down to a constant value, and now inductor and capacitor we can write inductor current, inductor current, inductor current and capacitor voltage is maintained as constant, that is IL which is equals to constant, like that VC which is equals to constant. We know that in case of VL, L into DIL by dt, like that in case of capacitor IC is equals to C into dVC by dt. This IL is constant, VC is constant, therefore what about VL? Therefore VL should be equals to 0, like that IC should be equals to what? 0, which is nothing but short circuited, which is nothing but open circuited. Therefore under final condition, so this is represented by what? This is represented by short circuited, this is represented by open circuited under final conditions. So these are the initial and final conditions. Now we have to discuss initial and final conditions in detail. Okay, how we can consider the initial value and final values? Let us take the range of time is always what? Minus infinite to infinite. In this, let us say this is t which is equals to 0. Now here I am considering this region, like that this region. So this region is nothing but t is equals to 0 minus, this is what? T is equals to 0 plus. Okay, just before that 0 we are having 0 minus, like after that 0 we are having 0 plus, simply, which is nothing but 0 plus means what? Sudden change, whether it is opening or closing the switch. Listen carefully, this t is equals to 0 is nothing but what? Sudden change in the circuit, that is whether it is opening or closing the switch. So Here I am considering the regions. So from infinite to 0 plus, like that, from 0 plus to infinite, this is region 1, this is region 2. Okay, region 1, region 2. Region 1 range is what? Like that, region 2 range is what? This is from minus infinite to less than to 0 minus, this is from 0 plus to infinite, right? This is very important, please listen carefully. So first I would like to consider region 1. Region 1, region 1 range is what? Range of time is what? Minus infinite to t minus, up to minus infinite to t minus, right? So what is that meaning? When t is equals to, when t is equals to minus infinite, like that, when t is equals to 0 minus, when t is equals to minus infinite means what? This is initial value, like that. In this range, region 1, this t is equals to 0 minus is nothing but what? Final value. That's it. This is the key point to solve a problem. If we are considering the region 1, the range is what? Minus infinite to 0 minus. So for that, this minus infinite is nothing but what? Initial value of that state. Like that, this 0 minus is nothing but what? Final value. Clear? So we can write very important observations. At t is equals to 0, like that, t is equals to 0. Now we can tell, okay, this is the point before that t is equals to 0, right? So at t is equals to 0, because t is equal to 0 minus is nothing but what? Final value, that is steady state. Final means what? Steady state. In case of inductor, it acts as what? Open circuit, short circuited. Short circuited. In case of capacitor, it is open circuited. Clear? So at t is equal to 0, we can say that switch is closes. So if at t is equal to 0, if switch is closes, at t is equal to 0 minus, switch is open. Switch is open. So from t is equal to 0 minus to t is equal to 0, that is sudden change. That is from t is equal to 0 minus to t is equal to 0, means sudden change in the system. That is, switch is from opening position to closing position. That's it, right? This is region 1. So in this region 1, at t is equal, now we have to consider this value. At t is equal to 0 minus, at t is equal to 0 minus, that is steady state for that region, right? Inductor acts as what? Obviously short circuited, because why? It is steady state current is constant. What about capacitor? It is open circuited. Okay, so anytime already we, yeah, that is minus infinite t less than 0 minus, this is what, initial value, this is final value, right? Like that, if t less than 0 minus, if t less than 0 minus, then the final value could be what? Example for this, let us take the region minus infinite to t less than minus 20. So t less than 0 minus 20 seconds, right? Now this is initial, this is final. So the given value is nothing but final value, that's it. Okay, at this condition also, if you are taking 0 minus as final value, that is wrong. See, provided the reason is what, minus infinite to minus 20. So minus infinite is nothing but initial value, like that minus 20 is nothing but final value, that's it. Okay, for this we can write one important note point. Anytime t less than 0 lies at infinite distance from minus infinite, hence and hence should be treated as final condition. So network is always in steady state for t less than 0, right? This is about t is equal to 0 minus. Now we have to consider region 2. In the region 2, what is the range of time? Range is what? 0 plus to infinite, right? When t is equal to 0 plus, like that t is equal to infinite, this is what? Initial value for that region, this is what? Final value for that region, that's it. Clear? Now you have clear idea about the concept, but now you have to clear the concept very carefully. At t is equal to 0 plus, at t is equal to 0 plus, we can write IL 0 plus, which is equal to the amount of inductor current at 0 minus, like that capacitor voltage at 0 plus should be equals to capacitor voltage should be at 0 minus. So which means what? We all know that. What is the observation? Inductor does not allow sudden change in current, like that capacitor does not allow sudden change in voltage. That's why when t is equals 0 minus, the value of current should be equals to IL of 0 plus, like that for voltage also. Okay, now we have to write very important observation, that is final condition in region 1, that is t is equals to 0 minus, right, acts as initial condition in region 2, that is t is equal to 0 plus, because we can say that, let us take any parameter, minus should be equals to x plus, where x is equals to voltage or current. That's it. Okay, now we have to write one point. Now for analysis at t is equals to 0 plus, replace inductor by current source and capacitor by voltage source. That's it. This is the region 2 operation, because at t is equal to 0 plus, the current in the inductor as well as the voltage in the capacitor does not allow. We all know that, because inductor does not allow sudden change in current, like that capacitor does not allow sudden change in voltage. Therefore the final condition region 1, that is 0 minus, should be treated as the initial condition in region 2. Therefore finally just have to consider L C, initial, final. If it is initial, it acts as what? Open circuited, short circuited. If it is initial, short circuited, open circuited. Just you have to remember these 2 points. That's it. Okay, that's all about the initial and final conditions of transient analysis.